Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak Perfect English.
Today, I'll teach you 100 daily English sentences you must know. These are short, simple, and super useful in real life. Repeat after me to practice and speak with confidence. Are you ready? Let's get started. Main content, 100 sentences. Speak slowly and leave space for learners to repeat after you. Group the sentences into 10 sets of 10 sentences with a quick recap at the end of each set. Set 1, Greetings and Introductions. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
My name is David.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Repeat these sentences every day. Let's go to the next set. Set 2, Talking about your day. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Have a nice day. What are you doing? I'm studying English. I'm going to school. I'm at work. See you later. Great job. Say these sentences with confidence. Set 3, Common questions. What time is it? Where are you going? What is this? What is that? Can you help me? Do you speak English? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. How much is this? Where is the toilet? Set 4, At home. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat. This is delicious. I need water. Please sit down. Open the door. Close the window. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Set 5, Shopping. I want this. I don't want that. How much does it cost? That's too expensive. Do you have a discount? Can I try it? Where is the cashier? I will buy it. I don't have cash. Can I pay by card? Set 6, Eating out. I'd like a coffee. Can I have the menu? What do you recommend? I'm vegetarian. I don't eat meat. This tastes great. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you for the food. The service is good. Let's come back here again. Set 7, traveling. Where is the bus stop? I need a taxi. How far is it? I am lost. Can you show me on the map? I want to go to the airport. Is it near or far? How long does it take? What's the address? Can you take me there? Set 8, making plans. What are you doing tomorrow? Let's meet at 5 p.m. Where should we go? I will call you later. Can we go together? I'm busy today. Let's go for a walk. When will you be free? Text me when you're ready. See you soon. Set 9, expressing feelings. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm scared. I'm angry. I feel cold. I feel hot. Don't worry. Everything is okay. Set 10, polite phrases. Please help me. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's okay. No problem. Congratulations. Take care. Goodbye. Great job. You've just learned 100 daily English sentences. Practice them every day to speak English confidently. Which sentence was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak Perfect English, and click the bell icon for more lessons like this. See you in the next video. Bye.